Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing and swatching the Beauty Crop Stargazing Eyeshadow Palette. This is a 12-pound palette that retails for $24.50. The packaging of this palette is a holographic cardboard with magnetic closure, and it does not include a mirror. The packaging feels really good quality and it does not feel cheap at all. This is a vegan and cruelty-free formula. So this palette is inspired by the shades of the Milky Way and faraway galaxies. This is a completely cool tone palette with 3 different finishes, a velvety matte, creamy metallics, and pressed glitter. It states on their website that there is a matte in this palette, which I'm guessing they are referring to the shade Luna, because the other shades are too creamy and too shimmery to be considered a matte. So with that being said, out of the 12 eyeshadows, 1 is a velvet matte, 8 are metallics, and 3 are pressed glitters. I personally wouldn't consider Luna as a matte, but rather a satin since I did notice some sheen to it. Even though there isn't enough mattes, I actually like the shimmers in this palette. The quality of the metallic and how pigmented they are, I just really did like a lot. So overall, I didn't have any issues with this palette. All of the eyeshadows performed good without any issues. I like the color story, especially because the purple, blue, and green shades were very much more beautiful in person versus the way the camera is picking them up. For the glitters, I recommend using a sponge applicator to apply them or using your finger. Also, if you want them to last longer, I would recommend using a glitter glue. So I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.